Guys, everything is aligning. In today's video, I will tell you all of the clues that I see right now in the charts that are telling us what the next major move is actually going to be. Guys, if you're holding any crypto at all, you will want to watch this video. There's a lot of things to go over, guys, so stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. So what you can see for Bitcoin at this moment is that on the technicals we have actually closed, we haven't opened and closed, but we closed this candle above the yellow dotted line, and we opened the current daily candle above the yellow dotted line as well. So if we can close this candle above this yellow dotted line, it is very good. It is a bullish sign, but then we still need to see continuation, because look here, we also went above it and we closed a few candles above this yellow dotted line, but trending downwards and then ultimately just going down to the next level of support. So if we can continue to see a sustained move towards the upside here for Bitcoin, then that is a very bullish sign. So the first steps that we need to do is first take out the orange line here, and this is actually the 50-day moving average. So this is the next level of resistance. And then we also have at $87,000, we have the 200-day moving average. So those are the levels we need to take out, as well as the previous swing highs, which is $85,000, $87,500, $90,500. Okay, so these are all levels that I think are going to be broken, but we still need to wait and see, because the reason why we're rallying right now for Bitcoin is because there's some more optimism in the market. I will talk you through exactly why here in a bit. But if we jump over to Ethereum and altcoins, they are still down tremendously. So after having this massive pullback, yes, they have recovered a little bit here, but nothing really compared to all of the drawdowns and all of the losses we had here. So for Solana, also Solana is actually looking better than Ethereum. Ethereum went down here and haven't really gone up to its previous consolidation here. Solana is at its previous consolidation, so that is a good sign. Doge also took a massive beating. Cardano is currently at the previous level in which it consolidated at, the previous swing low. So that is good for Cardano. For XRP, same thing here. We have hit some very nice support levels here, and we're staying above the yellow line at $1.96. So really, it is mainly Ethereum that has been taking a massive beating and is continuing to do really, really bad. But Bitcoin and some of these altcoins as well are doing pretty damn good. Now, looking at traditional markets, of course, the futures market is going to open up later on this evening, and then we will see how the futures market is going to react to all of the headlines we've seen when the markets have been closed. So that is the number one thing we need to see, and that is going to happen within the next 12 to 24 hours. We will see that all play out. Now, before I go through all of the headlines here, in terms of my trading strategies, I'm currently down 900,000, so that is great. I mean, it's not great, but, at least it's not down $1.5 million like it was a few days ago. But my strategies are still making money with this volatility. Yes, my main bots like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Doge. No, Doge is actually trading right now, so that is great to see. It is within trading range. But then we have my XRP strategy is doing extremely well. And you can see that I started this at $2.29. We're actually below this point. So if I just would have held XRP, I would have been at a big loss. But because my algorithm has made so much profit here with this volatility, I'm up $33,000 on the algorithm, $15,000 on this XRP strategy, even though the price is much lower than when I started this. So this is the power of my trading strategy, guys. Same for Cardano here. You can see I'm up $20,000, but we are down, like I opened this at 68 cents. We're down to 63 cents. So if I just would have held Cardano and I bought Cardano at 68, I would have been down tremendously. But because of my algorithm here, taking advantage of the volatility, it has amplified the gains. And overall, even though the position is at a loss, I'm still overall up. So with time, guys, this is all going to work out here. This is still working very, very beautifully. Ethereum strategy also making more profits here. Second, Bitcoin bot making a lot of profit as well. I entered this at almost $86,000. Currently, we're at $83,700. And I am at a profit, so that is great to see. And then, of course, also all of my short strategies are doing tremendously well. So in my opinion, things are going really, really well still. And I will continue to keep you updated. Oh, and if you want to use my trading strategies yourself, you're still able to get in at a much lower price compared to just a few weeks ago. So first sign up to Pionex using this link and then claim the bonuses using this link. And if you want to go long with my main coins, you have all of the links right here. If you want to go short with my main coins, you have all of the links right here as well. If you want to use it for any other altcoin, click on this link right here. So China has raised their tariffs to 125%. Also, they've said that even if the US increases their tariffs, they will not increase it anymore because already they cannot essentially import any goods from the US because it is too expensive. So they will ignore any forward-looking tariff increases from the United States. So that is one thing. A few more headlines is that the US warned China against retaliating in private talk. Still, they did retaliate. So China does not want to play ball here with the United States. Trump has made it clear that he is open to a deal with China. So behind the closed doors, they want to make this deal, or the US wants to make this deal, but publicly they want to kind of make China look bad and weak in a sense, which China are not complying to. The Federal Reserve is absolutely ready to help stabilize the market if needed, top official says. Now, if you watched my video from yesterday, I said that we are about to see a massive pivot. We are about to see the Fed step in and actually take some measures. And now we're already starting to see their sources also say the same. So this is why I am not worried at all, guys. The Fed are going to, if the bond market continues to break down like it is doing right now, the Fed will have to step in and they will have to use the only method that they can actually use, and that is to print more money and stimulate the economy. So that is going to lead into our assets going up, of course, and that is why Bitcoin during the weekend has been slowly grinding upwards here, because it is starting to potentially actually happen very, very soon here with the Fed stepping in. So let us now see tomorrow, Monday, how the bond market is going to react to everything that happened during the weekend. If we continue to see yields going up, then the Fed are most likely going to have to step in very, very soon. Jamie Dimon also is calling for the Fed intervention soon if Treasury market dysfunction continues. So I think Bitcoin relative strength has been sniffing this out too, just like I said. So we're in a good spot right now. Also, Trump says that something positive will come out with China. He also said when people understand what we're doing, I think the dollar value will go back up. The bond market had a little moment, but I solved that problem very quickly. Well, we will see on Monday. And then also finally, the 10% tariffs for all countries, they are going to make some exceptions. So guys, in my opinion, I am very content with the state of everything right now. Of course, we are above the yellow dotted line here, so the technicals are looking pretty decent for a potential reversal and for us to go up here. But also know that I've said this for many, many months. We are going to see the peak probably in 2026. So in 2025, it will still be wild, but we're gonna slowly grind upwards and see that peak at some point in 2026, in my opinion, not financial advice. Guys, this is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.